Hopdeals.com are authority equipment remarketing specialists and are pleased to offer reference number 30, this 2016 Mercedes Antos 2530 Bluetec 6. This 6x2 rear steer and lift axle has a Euro 6 engine and a PPS cheese wedge Beavertail body with hydraulic slide out for side steps and walkway, hydraulic cheese wedge ramps with access boom door, hydraulic rear jacks, remote control and winch, and 360-degree camera system. This truck has covered 271,000 kilometres and is tested to the end of April. If you'd like further details on this or any other equipment, please contact Hop Deals on 01430 434 800, email us sales@hopdeals.com, or why not check out our website hopdeals.com for all the latest stock.